This is a tribute from the daughters-in-law. It has been made possible by all of us, Mrs. Mutugi, Mrs. Karanga, Mrs. Mutugi again, and Mrs. Kenywa. So let's read. We called you Maito, Mami, or simply Mom. When we got married into your family, all at different times, you welcomed us with a lot of warmth, like your own biological children. There are so many things we learned from you, Mami. She actually mentored us into the women we are today. She was our counselor and friend, but that did not mean that she would not correct us when we made mistakes, which she did with a lot of love. At times, we gossiped about her sons, and she always kept it a secret, and together we always laughed about it. She taught us the importance of praying together as a family. We could not leave Marurumo home without praying, and we prayed for all our children, including those that were far. Mami also taught us the importance of bringing up our children in Christianity and praying for them. We will always be grateful to God that Mami brought up our husbands with a lot of humility and God-fearing. Today, we enjoy very supportive, loving, and caring husbands, characteristics that would only prevail if we reciprocated with respect and obedience. Mami, Mom, you are a very gracious mother, and we will truly miss you. Till we meet again, rest well, Mami. Yeah, I can confirm all that and what the daughters have said. Yeah, because I at one time, some years just prior to Balozzi's appointment to the US, I interacted quite a lot with her because I used to take part in her medical appointments at Dr. Gekonyo's. Yeah, and I can confirm and know that she's a very intelligent lady. She could, ask questions, not just sit as the doctor writes you. Well, like she said, she would ask, have you checked the heart? There's a lot of cancer. Cancer is killing, breast cancer is killing women. Have you checked that? Yeah. And even after she gets the meds, she would ask, and the doctor was very patient with her and would answer everything. She was a brilliant lady. Rest well, Mami.
Bwana apewe sifa. Niĩ njĩtagwo Jeni wa Githae, na Kristo nĩ mwathani thĩinĩ wa ngoro-inĩ yakwa. Andũ acio mothe mona haha nĩ akwa. I'm the most blessed. Ihũrĩrai rũhĩ ciana icio ciothe. Reke njuge very shortly. Njuge one day, our mom called us, the sons and their wives. Na agĩtwarĩria mũico-inĩ agĩgĩta Maiko aneo mũthĩgi. Agĩcoka akiuga atĩrĩrĩ, we nyina wa ngui nĩwe mwene ciana icio. Bwana apewe sifa. Na njuge ndigũcokera maũndũ marĩa mothe mario, tondũ tributes gives it all. No ndĩrenda kwarĩria ciana cia maitũ. Nĩ ũndũ nĩ mareretwo wega, with a lot of discipline. Ona kwĩ mũthenya ndĩramerire mũcibi oroho. Ndauga mũcibi nĩ maramenya, no kwĩ mũndũ watinirie. I have it. Na reke njuge ciana cia maitũ ndĩmũndĩrenda kwarĩria ndagĩka ĩmwe right now. Ndĩmere mena thirĩ. Na no marigo thirĩ nĩ waki, no nĩ ndĩrenda kũmera mena thirĩ. Thirĩ ũrĩa menaguo nĩ kurera ciana ciao na gucietwara kanitha-ini kuringana na uria monirio. Kana kiu ti kihoto. Mundu ena thiri ni akaga atia? Ni aribaga. Mundu ena thiri ni aribaga. Ucio niguo mukuriha. Ciana itwaro kanitha-ini ni undu gutire maundu tutonirio na kanitha-ini kwina irathimo. That is what we were taught. There are blessings in the church. Either ni kuhoya ka ni kuruta wira wa Ngai na nie ndikuga mutirutaga. How ndige muna muti? But you are children. You follow the footsteps of your parents. Kana bote wega. Uria agakiregana noguo uria anti gathoni uga agitigano nake ngamukoro ndimukunite meita makinya kaundu. Bwana apewe sifa. Otherwise be blessed. Yeah.
Bwana asifiwe. Nikalile thayo ngethia akame batae na maile ukumwa nundu akanimo matusiaie nina muvea kuona mundu mukamwailu na yune inangele cia moseo make mami. Bwana asifiwe. Moseo mamu maitoneka ni maitoneka tondu yungo ngunena ni bau nye na musee wakwa tujinda twi ma family no nundu wa kwindwa ni mundu wa uciokianisia ciana cio ciake ni watu tuyamwe manumba yiku kwianana na watho wa musee kwiakamwe mendo ame kwatite cindu cionde indi mamu ni waicie ndeu tuichethekani twi ciana cia mume wake na atuosa na atuete bakuvi na atunenga kila kindu kila chonde cha ilile indwa kiinengano na tondo ai wa mutalatalai baikano na kamwe kanena undu waicie noguo kwa endie na inywe ciana cia kithendue ona inywe ngamucio kiciandaia ni tondu muyaleana na wathola wanenie na nicho tucioketie ngatho na ngacia ukomethai inya witu.
Asante sana. Ngatho nyingi muno makihurwo bisa.
Asifiwe Yesu. Kwa majina ni Magdalene Wambui Karanga. Nimeokoka, Yesu ni Bwana. Sina mengi ya kusema.